All right, I'm back with another deal video for HomeDepot.com. Deal of the day, which is today only, May 12th, 2026. If you're watching this video after that date, these deals are no longer in effect, unfortunately. And I'm going to show how you access them if you don't access it through the links in my description below. If you go to the home page on HomeDepot.com and you scroll down, they'll have it displayed somewhere. And it does seem to change for me as far as the location of it, but you'll see this daily deals icon right here, and you'll want to click on the shop daily deals, and that's how you pull them up. All right, so the first deal is going to be on some DeWalt ones, and they have the 7¼ inch sliding miter saw. They have it paired with the 4 amp hour battery and charger for only $345. That's saving 21%, and that's $91 off. The saw by itself is around this price alone without a battery. So it is a decent pickup on that. And it is a good saw. I have it. I used it to build a small deck with it actually. So it's a well capable saw, and then running on the 20-volt battery. All right, next up is a DeWalt 1/4 inch impact driver tool only. And they have that with the right angle attachment, which is a great attachment to have on hand to get in the nice tight spots. And that's only $142, saving $109. 44% off. And they have decent savings on the 20-volt grease gun, and they have that with a battery and charger, which is a 4 amp hour battery for $198, saving $151. That's 43% off. And then they have the recip saw with the battery starter kit, which is a 5 amp hour and 2 amp hour battery and charger for $248, saving $180. They say it's saving 42%. And I do believe, like during the holiday time, this was the battery starter kit that they had. And then you had an option of a free tool for $199. So technically you are paying an extra $48 today for this same setup. Next up, we'll get into some Milwaukee options. And they brought back the deal on the heat gun with the two 6 amp hour high output batteries and charger for $289, saving $139. That's 32% off. And same thing goes for the oscillating multi-tool for $289. This is not the fuel model though, so just so you're aware. And again, paired with two 6 amp hour high output batteries for that same price. And they also brought back the deal on the M18 hammer drill with three 5 amp hour batteries, charger, and the hard case for $309, saving $180. That's 37% off. And this one I would recommend skipping. It's going to be the 2-tool combo kit between the grinder and oscillating tool for $499. It is only saving 12%. That's $70 off. I think it's awfully expensive for $500 for technically the 2 tools. And now we will get into some Ryobi options, and they have the 4-pack of batteries, which is 2 4 amp hour ones, and it looks like 2 2 amp hour ones for $179, saving $189. That's 51% off. So if you need to stock up on some batteries, it might be a decent deal. But just keep in mind, we will have some Ryobi days that should be coming up soon in the summertime, I think it is, where there might be a good deal on the battery starter kit and get a free tool for around the $200 mark. So just keep that in mind. And then they brought back the one and done kit from Ryobi for $629. That's the same price we saw it as last week on the Friday that I did the last video on. So if you're looking for just to get right into the Ryobi platform, you can certainly do it there and have some pretty decent tools there for the price, for 12 tools for $600. So, you know, basically around $50 a tool, especially with that miter saw, because that miter saw alone I think is around $200. And then they have some Ryobi 1+ HP tools available. They have the circular saw with the impact driver with 2 batteries and a charger and a bag for $179, saving $79. That's 31% off. You can also save 31% on the impact driver alone. So this is going to be a much better deal going with the circular saw, because the same price they have the impact driver with 2 batteries, but it is a 4 amp hour battery and then looks like a 2 amp hour one. So I would say it's better to go with the 2-tool combo kit here for the same price. All right, next up is going to be some rigid options, and they brought back the same deal I think as last week for $199. You're getting the output starter kit with 2 4 amp hour batteries of the max output batteries. Looks like actually 2 chargers with it for the $199, saving $119. That's 37% off. Then they have a ratchet deal, which is a 1/2 inch one with a 2 amp hour battery and charger for $121, saving $128. That's 51% off. And they brought back a deal again on the inflator for only $81, and that is a 2 amp hour battery and charger. That's saving $57. That's 41% off. It's a decent pickup there, and I've seen good reviews on on this inflator. And next up is going to be the max output 8 amp hour batteries, the 2-pack of them for $179. That's saving $243. That's 58% off. And now some Milwaukee M12 options. They have a 2-tool combo kit between the impact driver and drill with 2 batteries, charger, and a bag, and they have that paired with, looks like a bit kit, which is impact duty shockwave bits, for $129, saving $50. That's 28% off. These are going to be like brushed models. It's not going to be the fuel models of the tools, but for $129 for the 2 tools, that might be a decent pickup. And then they brought on a deal on the inflator, the M12 one, with a 4 amp hour battery and charger for $149, saving $90. That's 38% off. That's going to be a decent deal on that because the inflator alone is around like the $130 mark, unless they raised the price recently, like they've been doing with everything else. So I think it's a good pickup there with the 4 amp hour battery. And they even have a deal on the Surge impact driver with a battery. Looks like, actually, well, it's 2 batteries, charger, and they have that paired with the ratchet, which is going to be the base model ratchet. This is a 3/8 ratchet. It's not the fuel model though, but for $189 to get these 2 tools is a great deal, saving $170. That's 47% off. And they also have a Surge with the blower with 2 batteries and the charger and the bag for the same price of $189, saving $120. That's 39% off. I have the blower. It works pretty good, actually. It's pretty powerful for its size. It's great to blow off sawdust from the workstation on the miter saw and keep the area a little bit clean. And there's some more Ryobi options. So they have the 2-tool combo kit with the drill and impact driver. Looks like 3 batteries for $180, saving $98. That's 35% off. And then they have a 2-tool combo kit with a circular saw and drill driver. Again, looks like 3 batteries based on the picture for $170, saving $138. That's 45% off. And they brought on a deal again on the clamp speaker pack, which is 2 of them for $73, saving almost $55. That's 43% off. We've seen deals on this before, and I think they're actually higher. I think it's like around $89 or so. So you're getting a better deal here today. And then next up is an 8 amp hour high performance battery and rapid charger for $113, saving $126. That's 53% off. Decent deal on that. And then next up is a 2-pack of the 2 amp hour batteries of the Milwaukee M18 for $105. That's saving $133. That's 56% off. And here's a great deal on the M18 inflator with a Forge 8 amp hour battery for only $223. That's saving $196. 47% off. So like I mentioned in previous videos, the inflator, they raised the price to $199 now. So technically for $23, you're getting a Forge 8.0 battery. That's an awesome deal on it. And then they have a deal on the one-handed recip saw, the M18, with a 5 amp hour battery for $269, saving $90. It's only 25% off. I think we've seen better deals on this before, especially during the holiday time, where you're going to get the 2-pack of the 5 amp hour batteries and charger, and then for $199. So technically you're paying additional $69. You're getting 1 less battery and no charger with it. So I'd wait for a better deal on this one in particular. And then next up is the deal on the 3-tool combo kit. They have the hammer drill and impact driver with 2 5 amp hour batteries and the charger, as well as the 3/8 impact wrench for $569, saving $70. That's only 11% off. So definitely I'd wait for a better deal for those 3 tools. And I'm going to skip over these yard tools that they have, but there are some other deals to mention down below. And it's not the best of savings on those tools. So you certainly take a look as I'm scrolling through. And then now we'll get into some DeWalt battery options. So they brought back a deal on the 2-pack of the 3.5 amp hour battery of the Power Stack ones for $151. That's saving $148. That's 49% off. This is going to be a similar deal that they had last week. And then also the deal on the 2 batteries, which is a 5 amp hour and 2 amp hour battery and charger, which is the 4 amp charger for $100, saving $99. That's 50% off. We did see a better deal on this last week. I think it was like around $80 or something. And then next up is a deal on the DeWalt 20 volt half-inch ratchet. They have that with a Power Stack battery for $264, saving $62. That's only 19% off. And then they have the recip saw, which is the compact one with a battery. It's a 2 amp hour battery and charger for $152, saving $107. That's 41% off. And now some rigid options. They have the 18 volt 6-tool combo kit, which includes the oscillating tool, the recip saw, the hammer drill, impact driver, circular saw, and the grinder for $509, saving 190. That's 27% off, which I've seen some images of some new tools that Ridgid is coming out with, like a compact series, and they look like pretty nice tools. And next up is a deal on the inflator. And this one does have the hose, so you can do different items like pool toys and other items. So this is $148 with that 4 amp hour battery, saving 60. That's 29% off. And they brought back a deal again on the 2-pack of the 4 amp hour batteries and charger in a bag for $73, saving 203. That's 74% off. That's a good deal on the batteries, especially on 2 4 amp hour ones for the $73. And this one I would actually skip, because just go for the 4 amp hour battery pack, the 2-pack of them, because this is only a 2 amp hour battery with the charger for $65. So not necessarily a good deal compared to this other one for only $8 more. And then they have some Ryobi oscillating multi-tool blade set. It's a 40-piece set, which includes a lot of the sanding pads for $38, saving 51. That's 57% off. Then they have reciprocating saw blade set, 35-piece set for $22, saving $22.52, which is 50% off. I don't have any experience with these blades in particular, but to get 35 pieces for only $22 is a good deal. And then they have the 3-tool lighting kit again for $74.88, saving $44. That's 37% off. I think we've seen deals on this prior, daily deals for like $99 or even a little bit more. So it is a better deal here today. And they have a high volume inflator kit by Ryobi. It's 18 volt with a 2 amp hour battery and charger for $63, saving $35. That's 36% off. Then they have a 3 amp hour battery from Milwaukee. It's the M18 for $79, saving $50, 39% off. And they have a 34-piece hole dozer kit, which is a bimetal hole saw set for $104, saving $130. That's 56% off. That's a decent deal on those. And they brought back deals from Milwaukee on the recip saw blade sets. They have 11-piece set with this axe version, so you can cut wood with embedded nails for only $17.58, saving $32. That's 65% off. These are good blades, and that's a good deal on those. Same thing goes for the wrecker blades, and the one is the nitrous carbide one. 11-piece set for $18, saving $32.95, which is 65% off. Another good deal. And they even have a good deal on the Milwaukee oscillating multi-blade set. It's a 20-piece set, which also includes those sanding pads. And that's only $42, saving $37.97. That's 47% off. To get any kind of discount on Milwaukee oscillating blades is going to be a good deal. They hardly ever go on a discount. And it looks like a pretty good, well-rounded kit of different blades, and even including the sanding disc. And another deal on the torch blades from Milwaukee. It's the metal carbide Sawzall recip blade set, 10-pack of them for $17.27, saving $38.70, which is 69% off. Another good deal on blades. And they brought back a deal on the pack-out system of the half-inch drive, metric, and SAE deep well impact sockets for $147. That's saving $132.97. That's 47% off. And the next deal is going to be on the M18 1-inch cordless SDS Plus rotary hammer with 2 of the high-output 6 amp hour batteries, as well as a Forge battery, charger, and the hard case for $472, saving $377. That's 44% off. That might be a decent pickup on that, especially with that Forge battery. And then they have some more DeWalt options. They have a 6 amp hour and 4 amp hour battery and the 4 amp charger for $133, saving $215. That's 62% off. That's a decent deal on that kit. And then they have the 2-pack of the 3 amp hour batteries for $75. Saving $124. That's 62% off. Again, that's another decent deal there on those batteries. Then they have the copper swage tool with a 2 amp hour battery, charger, and the kit box for $341, saving $258. That's 43% off. And then next up is the 20 volt 6 amp hour battery with a 6 amp charger for only $84, saving $114. That's 58% off. That's another decent deal on DeWalt battery there. And then some more Milwaukee options. They have the 5-inch random orbit sander with a 2 amp hour battery for $147, saving $121. That's 45% off. Another decent deal there. The sander alone is going to be around $149, $159, somewhere in that range as a tool only. So a decent deal there to get the battery for free, technically, and a little bit better savings in addition to that. And then next up is a deal on the M18 on the high torque 1/2-inch impact wrench with the inflator and grease gun, 2 batteries, charger, and a bag for $536, saving $362, 40% off. Another decent deal there, even though that is a big price tag for 3 tools. But again, those are going to be all expensive tools you're getting there. Then they have the mid-torque impact wrench. It's a 3/8 drive one with a Forge 8.0 battery for $267, saving $232. That's 46% off. That's technically getting the Forge battery for free, which is a decent deal there on that one. Then they have the Porter Cable 23 gauge pin nailer for $47, saving $59, 56% off. And that's going to do it for the deals of the day for today only, May 12th, 2026. If you did gain any value from this video, I'd really appreciate you do give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing for more of these tool deal videos. And I really appreciate you watching, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks so much.